Carroll and southeastern Grayson counties and the city of The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Pulaski County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Radford in southwestern Virginia, central Montgomery County in southwestern Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Blacksburg, Christiansburg, Radford, Pilot, and Price's Fork. This includes the following location: Virginia Tech,